Hello everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Today I have come with a very useful product that is going to be very useful especially for your laptops. So maybe your neck hurts from always looking down at the screen. So well, today I've got the perfect solution for you. This creative folding storage laptop stand but also folds up neatly for easy carrying. Let's get started. Here's our box, laptop stand, creative folding storage bracket, and the side you can see it has shown some specification. It has multi-size use, 7 knots, lift adjustment, and comfort angles, folding storage. Yeah, it is in silver color. Now let's unbox it. The packaging is very simple, compact and lightweight. Inside the box we get this foldable laptop stand itself and a small carrying pouch you can see. Now open it up. Yes. So here is our foldable laptop stand itself. Yes. At first glance it looks very sleek, compact and portable. It folds down almost like a stick. Super easy to carry in your bag. Wow, you can see the aluminum alloy build, giving it strength and durability. The design is minimal but premium. It has anti-slip silicone pads at the bottom and top, so your laptop stays firmly in place without sliding. So, and the best part, it has adjustable. You can change the height and angle according to your comfort. As you can see here, I can change the height also. Now let me run you through its features. It has a folding and portability that folds into a compact stick shape, making it travel friendly, and has adjustable angles, multiple angle slips settings, so you can easily adjust according to your comfort. So laptop for the perfect viewing experience. So this angle is best. Yeah. About its pros and cons, this is a slim foldable stick design, premium aluminum built, adjustable angles for comfort, extremely lightweight and portable. But about its cons, it has only a laptop stand, not a cooling pad, so no active cooling, only passive airflow, and typing angles may take a little getting used to. Okay guys, so guys, if you want a minimalist, portable and strong laptop stand that you can carry anywhere, this aluminum folding storage bracket stick is the perfect pick. It's simple, stylish and does exactly what a laptop stand should do. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel and share this video with your friends who work or study on laptops every day. Thanks for watching.